Hey, it's us for last time. We are on our way back. We are on the train. Luckily, Nina's compartment has some spare seats for the next 5
to 6 hours.
5 to 6 hours. So I can stay here for a while until before I have to go to my own compartment where it's completely crowded, and yeah, the people.
Mine will be crowded too.
Yours will be crowded too, but only for a few hours. Mine is already crowded, and the people lay there like sardines in fish cans. Like on my way to Austria. Ouch! My ears pop. We're going through tunnels. I don't know why the train which took me here didn't go through tunnels, but this one makes my ears pop. Well, anyway, we had a great vacation.
Yes, we did.
And time was flying by.
Yeah,
in a heartbeat. Yeah. We hope we will be back next year in summer.
With better weather.
Better weather, less freezing, and yeah. Bye bye.